What's up, everybody? It is a beautiful Friday afternoon here in Canyon Lake, California, and I'm coming at you guys today with a super cool and unique truck. So basic details are that it's a 2012 it's definitely not F anything. It's a 2012 Ram 2500 with a 6.7 diesel, 109,000 original miles on it. It's a two-owner truck, no accidents. This truck, the individual that we got it from, spent a great deal of money at Baja HQ, upgrading it with everything that it has today. So I'm gonna keep it pretty basic, but we've got the Carly sway bar, King shocks with the coil, Carly coil, Carly suspension, like radius arms, all that stuff. I think it's called the Backcountry. No, I forget which one it is. It's a super expensive Carly suspension kit. You guys probably know more about it than I do. It's got 37-inch Yokohama tires on really nice raceline wheels, Baja designs, squadrons, two here, two on the other side. This is the Onyx Baja Designs light bar here. It's got this really cool skid plate. This truck has not been off-roaded much. It was just outfitted to look cool. You have the Squadron Pros up here on the ditch lights on the A-pillars. So this is a Laramie Mega Cap as well. I mean, it's just super cool. Right, all done by Baja HQ in Orange County, California. No leaks, no issues whatsoever. Truck runs, drives, steers, stops, shifts, awesome. It has amp steps. It's got the King shocks in the rear with the Deaver springs. It's got this basically chase setup in the bed with a matching spare, matching wheel and tire. It's got the Pro Eagle jack with the skid on it, and it's got this I think it's what is this, like a nitrogen tank or something, CO2 tank, something like that. Also has some more Baja designs in the rear bumper. Pretty cool. Emissions wise, this truck's totally stock. There's no like deletes or anything like that on it. It's all factory emissions. Also has this third brake light mount for the antenna, so you don't drill a hole in the roof. I think with maybe some more Baja designs or something like that in it. Okay. Super clean. One of my favorite things about this truck is actually the leather seats with the suede in the middle. It's very, very comfortable, super soft. Everything is in like literally perfect condition. The seats, like just pretty much everything about this truck. It's got a couple scratches, right? But outside of that, it's incredibly clean. It's got heated and cooled seats in the front, heated seats in the rear. It's got two different race radios, and that's going to be the external mounted speaker. It's got the aftermarket head unit with Apple CarPlay and all that fun stuff. LED upgrade. Thing is just awesome. All the lights work, and that's one of the cool things that I'm going to show you here in a second. So we don't have it connected. This truck does have an emissions legal tuner in it. We just have it removed, and it's like a monitor tuner, whatever. And then here is the Switch Pro. So this controls all of the lights on the truck, and also it can be app controlled. So you download the app on your phone and you connect it to this, and you can control all the lights from the app on your phone. And there's like a whole ton of features with the Switch Pro. Bear with me, guys. It's been a super long week and I am pretty tired. But this truck is so super freaking cool. We've been driving it for a few weeks now. And Yeah, it's totally awesome. Okay. Tire pressure monitor light on, kind of typical for a lifted truck with big wheels and tires on it. The tire pressure system does work though. AC blows ice cold, steering wheel's in great shape, dash is in great shape, headliner's in great shape. It's got a DVD player. I don't know how that works, don't ask. Aftermarket head unit, like I said, it does Apple CarPlay, 4-wheel drive. Four low. Okay. So we got exhaust brake, tow haul mode, traction control, flashers. This is the power for the 110 right here. Parking sensors do not work because of the lights in the rear bumper have, I think, taken the place of the parking sensors. And then I have no idea what this is. It says tire light load inflation. Don't know what that means. All your plugs in here, all that stuff works. Center console has the secondary radio in it and then has the monitor in it. All that stuff comes with the truck. Sunroof works great. Power rear window. Door locks. All that stuff works just like it should. Very cool, very awesome truck. Very enjoyable to drive. So I'll turn the headlights on so we can see what they look like with them on. Maybe we'll turn on some fog lights, A-pillar, and light rail. We'll see. I can't see if it's on or not. Oh, there, that's on. All right, let's pop the hood. Ram is one I don't open too often, I gotta be honest with you guys, so bear with me here while I figure out what the fuck I'm doing. Oops, I cursed. What a shitbox. There's a lot of wind coming off the fan, so, but this is like totally fine. teenagers these days. So one thing I haven't mentioned yet that's really unique about this truck, because it's a 2012, it's actually not a DEF truck. It's a DPF truck. So no DEF fluid for this truck, which is pretty freaking cool. Has remote start, has all the cool stuff. Let's take it for a drive. I don't know what the heck is the deal with these teenagers that pull up in this beater Mustang that are whistling Dixie. Kind of weird stuff is going on. So I know because this is a Ram, pretty much the first question I'm going to get from most people is going to be, do you have history of the trans being rebuilt? The answer to that question is no. I don't have history of the trans being rebuilt on this truck. I'm not sure whether it has been or not. What I can tell you is that it shifts awesome. Has absolutely no signs of any kind of premature wear or issues. And I encourage you to check it out yourself. You can have your mechanic check it out, whatever you want to do that makes you feel comfortable. But the truck runs and drives awesome. Interior smells amazing. Like it has that, like it kind of smells like this, like the suede that's on all the seats. It's just such a cool truck. Like you don't find them like this. And if you wanted to duplicate this build, I mean, not including the cost of the truck, it's probably, I don't know, 30,000 plus, right? Only 109,000 miles on this. She's just a little baby. Lots and lots of life left. Ready to go on some cool adventures. So yeah, we're going to be listing this truck for $41,000. $41,000, okay? That does not include sales tax or license. So it would be 41 plus tax title if you were in California. Or plus shipping if you're outside of California. I don't think I said it, but I should say, obviously it's a California truck. There's no rust on it at all. If you like the truck, you want to reserve the truck, our deposit is $500. Deposit goes towards the price of the vehicle and holds the truck for up to 2 weeks. Our deposit is non-refundable. So once you leave the deposit, the vehicle is considered sold, and we can work through the remaining details pertaining to your purchase. Outside of that, yeah, this thing has been inspected. It has been driven a bunch. It is totally California emissions legal, has passed California emissions, has a backup camera, and is just completely badass. Like, it really doesn't get cooler. The tires don't rub, the suspension feels nice and smooth. Everything on the truck works. It's just so super, super cool. So yeah, if you like the truck, you're more than welcome to hold the truck. We can ship it to you. We can take your financing. We can help you get financed with our banks. Lots and lots of options here. So any additional questions, 951-704-2804. You can also reach us email, dynamicrides1@gmail.com, Instagram @dynamicrides_, and of course, Dynamic Rides on Facebook. So yeah, any other questions, feel free to reach out. As always, appreciate you guys watching our videos. Happy Friday and have a fantastic weekend.